Hello everyone, today we are gonna see how to rig a piston in just few steps in Maya. For this we will be using this free script called the key machine. It's a completely free script alternate to the AnimBot tool and is very useful. I will provide the link in the description. So I am gonna create new scene and import our model here. I will also provide the link to download the model in the description. Here we have it. The crankshaft here is gonna rotate on its own axis, so for this we need to assign a locator to it. Next we are gonna place a locator on the pivot point of the piston rod, so that the pivot point of our crankshaft can be moved to that location. To do that I am gonna select the crankshaft first, then shift-click the locator, then go to Modify Match Transformations, Match Pivot. Now we have a locator to which we can parent our crankshaft for rotation on this axis, and we have the pivot point of the crankshaft aligned to the piston rod. Now we don't need this locator, so we can delete it, then select all and hit Freeze Transformation button on the Poly Modeling Shelf tab to bring all the values to 0. Next select the locator and scale it up. Then select locator, then crankshaft and hit parent. Now go to Channel Editor box and key the X rotation to give it some animation. As we can see, the crankshaft is now parented to the locator. Next we need to point constraint the piston rod to the crankshaft. Select Parent, Child, Constraint and hit Add. The piston rod is now connected to it. Next we need to aim the upper end of the rod to the piston so it moves only on Y-axis. Again, Parent, Child, Constraint. Hit the box to open settings. I am gonna start fresh here. Check Maintain Offset and aim on the Y-axis only. Now we need to move the piston along with it. So for that, again select Parent, Child, and this time we are gonna point constraint it, so open the settings. Check the Maintain Offset. If it is not there, then click on the Y-axis to constraint only and hit Add. And it's done.